Hello. Yeah, it was about time. Yes. I bought a microphone. Yeah, it was about time, man. I needed to upgrade. If you saw my previous videos, I was using my earphones as a microphone.
Your lips are green.
You're black, bro.
Wait, I'm black? No!
Being here, I don't feel like this.
But now your boy bought a USB microphone with a tripod. Jebson. It's a good microphone on a budget. So yeah, I bought it by Crusaders for about 220 rand. Okay, let's unbox. Yeah. Okay, this is the tripod, the mic with the USB, and then the pop filter. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let me set it up. Hey. Yeah, it sounds better. It's good. For a microphone on a budget, it's good. It's not the best, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to work now. Just wanted to test it out. And I'm gonna make more videos soon, so with this. And hopefully I can buy myself a camera in the future. So this is just the beginning steps. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Peace.